Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to start Vertus mining. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial video helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contact address will be in the description. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. Firstly, you need to get your Telegram app. In case you do not have your Telegram app, you can get that on the Play Store for the Android users, and for the iPhone users, you can get your Telegram on your Apple Store. So I open my Telegram app, then click on the Vertus site. Then firstly, I want to introduce you to the Vertus. Vertus is a voluntary Web3 app built on the Tone blockchain, acceptable directly through Telegram. This integration ensures a user-friendly experience, allowing for a smooth entry into the world of cryptocurrency. With Vertus, every Telegram user gets to enjoy a full on-chain experience seamlessly. So let's get started. Click on the open app here to get started. So wait till it loads. Start. These are the stacks available. You will do those stacks to get more points. So to mine this storage site, this place that storage is written on, you click it to start mining, collect. So after that, it will be refilled after 2 hours. So after 2 hours, you'll be coming back to claim your points, and there are mission here for you to do to gain more points. To like example, let me show you this. Follow their Telegram site. You see, follow is loading, and the mission is complete already, and they're giving me some points. You can see. So events, you can join those events, and also this is the Telegram. I just joined the Telegram community, so you can also join the Twitter page. I've joined already, so the thing is not available for me to click again. So for you people that are just joining, it will be available for you to click. So you just click to know more about them and everything going on about the mining stuff. So hope you find the video helpful. If you have any question, you can do well to write it in the comment section below. Thanks. Like, subscribe, turn your notification bell for more educative content like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.